So this UK100 has been the most challenging index for me, but I'm starting to like it. Even though it dicked me around a lot, which was my fault earlier, and is continuing to dick me around with all these wicks. It doesn't want to break lower, but will not break higher. This is obviously a significant zone. You can see it respected it, back here, respected it as resistance or as support, and then it broke this, and now it's treating it as resistance upwards. So the 7,700 level, I do think it's it doesn't want to break above that, which is nice. I do think this is going to start heading lower, but this is a pair that has shown me, or an index, I guess, that has shown me that things will take longer than they should. And I mean, it threw me through an absolute loop right here when I initially shorted it, and I shorted it based on this perfect price action, right? Like price came, rejected, huge wicks, and then just boom, 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 massive bull candles, completely threw me off. Did not make sense at all, but I still had to deal with it because I was still in a position. So I hedged myself out of that. I did lose a little bit of money, but it wasn't much. And I think I got out like right here. So I'm not in this anymore. And I did lose a little bit of money, but I learned so much from the position. So I'm actually happy I took that, because that'll prevent me from making massive losses in the future when price, when everything lines up properly. And I did make the right decision based on, the circumstances, but then obviously price just completely goes against you out of nowhere. Nothing makes sense, but you still have to deal with it. So that's what I did with this, and I learned a lot, so I'm thankful for that. But I'm waiting for this to turn around. So today it is rejecting a little bit. I need to continue to reject. I need to break this area here. I think I actually had an alert that I just deleted, but I'm going to put one back. Yeah, so that's UK100. I do think it's going to be a massive short. I think it's got to break this area, obviously, and then something like this, and target this area, and then ultimately target this one. Actually, this would probably be it. So yeah, so it really did do its full monthly range. Wow, who knew? It did its full monthly range. It was just in the wrong direction. I wanted it to go below this and instead it went way above. So this is kind of what I'm looking at here now for UK100. So that's that, and we will see how today closes, because clearly it's rejecting. So I mean, if it just keeps rejecting and then Monday prints a similar candle, I mean, eventually this is going to start heading downwards, and when it does, I'm going to make all my money back and then some.